Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your country in the Lyst application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. Then click on the country button. And here, if you scroll down, you will see that there are a lot of countries you can choose from, and just search for yours and click on that. And then just click on done and your country is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.